What's up, everybody? Okay, how does this work? If I hit, okay, I'm not live in the server. That's what I'm not doing. Okay. Can you tell it's been a minute? Can you tell that I don't know how this works anymore? Share your screen. Capture devices. Virtual camera. Okay. Oh, and I need to deafen myself on Discord, and then I want... Okay, perfect. Go live. All right, and then I want that. Okay. I think this works. Okay. Oh, I need to set up the YouTube chat. Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. If we do pop out, right? Pop out chat. Okay. And then if we do docs, custom browser docs, and we do this, okay. And then if I just say something in the chat. Huh. Okay. And then, huh. What? Am I not logged into Botrix? My chat is not working. I don't know why. So I'm gonna fix that before I go live. Oh. Why can't I hear my... Oh, it's Kick. Of course it's Kick. I'm just gonna mute the tab. Okay. And then I'm gonna... Okay. Let's see. If I log in with Twitch... Let's see. Okay. I'm logged in. And then if I go to widgets. That's not good. Copy current address. And chat. Okay. Chatbot. Okay. Did they take it away? I don't think so. Okay. Spectator counter, subscribers, chat overlay. Ah, here we go. Okay. And then, okay, if I go to docs, custom browser docs. Okay. All right, that is going. Interesting. All right, let's cook. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, hello. It has been a while. How is everybody? I have missed you all very much. Oh, it has been a time. All right, so for the people who are watching the recording, yeah, it's been a minute. I was really sick, and then I was traveling after I was done being sick, but I'm back home now, and we're cooking. I was still working on the game. I just couldn't, like, when I was sick, like, my voice was fucked, so it did not make sense for me to stream at all. But we got over it. We lived, and yeah. All right, so oh, thanks for the oh, hey, what up, Blue? Actually, I have a question. Is it so Blue Forgery is your name on Discord, but Pascal referred to you as Kaylin? How should I refer to you? What do you prefer? But yes, thank you for the follow. Okay, this is a weather switch, so I'm gonna just buffer based on, okay, so S weather names. Okay, just gonna do this. And then, okay, it's a switch statement, switch weather, okay. And then, I'm gonna just take all of these. Okay. Kalen's my name, Blue's my alias. Either's fine with me. People tend to call me Kalen more often. Kalen it is. There. Either is fine with me. Blue is less syllables. And it shows up in more places. So I'm going to go with blue until I hear otherwise. But good to know. But hello, how are you? How's life? Okay, then I'm going to take all of these. Since I assume this is... Oh, wait, no, this isn't your first time here because you watched me stream Rekka, didn't you? Maybe I imagined that. Yeah, no problem. Okay. So this... I did watch... Cool. Yeah, so this is what I normally do on the stream. Which is just work on the very game that you are now a part of. So welcome aboard. But yeah, this is proof that I'm not just sitting on my ass. I actually do things around here, I swear. Okay. Got it. Okay. Yeah, it's just me building stuff for the game and just moving forward. Like, I've been working on this Pokédex for a long time, and I'm getting close to the end-ish. We'll see. But yeah, today I am working on getting... Here, actually, I'll just show you. Let's see. Actually, does it even compile? I don't think it will compile. It does not compile. Okay, we're gonna just do... Let's see. Okay, we're gonna get rid of S weather names. We can do S weather. Oh, cool. I have a comment to that. Okay, cool. Oh no. 3190. Oh. Okay, so default is return. We're gonna do that. Okay. And now, okay. All right, behold the Silicon Pokédex. So yeah, you can look at all the Pokemon. I can filter, so like I want all the ground types. Shows all the ground types. I can do all sorts of filters, so like stats or egg groups. So like all the ground type Pokemon in the flying egg group, which is fucking nobody. Should have seen that coming. But if I do like field and can learn earthquake, which should be, or no, earth power. Let's get more specific. So this is all of them. And then I can look at each individual one and I can go, okay, let's look at Camerupt. I want to see how Camerupt evolves. So Numel evolves on the Camerupt, and I can go back. I can look at, these don't work yet. I can look at their moves that they learn and how they learn them. If it's an egg move, I can see all the parents for that one. I know it looks terribly ugly. It's because this is just proof of concept. Crim hasn't gotten around to these yet. And the thing I'm working on today is the forms page, which I'm almost done. I just have to get a couple edge cases. Thank you very much. Where like Cherum kind of crashes the game when I look at its page, and I know why it happens. So I'm just working on defining text for all the weather. And yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. That's what the stream is. It's just me mumbling to myself as I program. That's it. Not as fun as the rock a stream, but hopefully it's a okay time. It's not. Hopefully it's not a terrible time. How about that? Okay. And okay, so then there, and then if we do um okay, so compound string. Okay. That needs to go at the beginning here. Okay. And then close that parenthesis. Oh. Okay. And then delete that. I can chill with it. Fuck yeah. We try to be as chill as humanly possible here. Try is the operative word here. Okay, and then S weather names. Now I will say you have worked with a number. Kaiser, what's crack-a-lackin'? Long time no see, man. How you been? Oh, and oh, damn, Kaiser and Awakeon both within seconds of each other. What's crack-a-lackin', boys? Good to be back. Now, Blue, I will warn you, given the games you have previously worked on, I do not have the skill level of Blah or Skelly. So you're going to watch me struggle with things that would be trivial for them. But hopefully you think Silicon's cool enough to make up for it. But we'll see. But yeah, I have to constantly tell Grim and Pascal, like, hey, I'm not that. They are true legends and have a mastery of the code base that I do not have yet. Maybe one day, but not today. Watch the man fight for his life in a 20-minute Pokemon species battle. 20 minutes? Damn, that is long. Why is it so, like, was it a stall thing, or was he trying to, like, pee-pee stall? Like, or is it just a long fight? I feel like I'm pretty much in the same boat when compared to Pascal. As far as programming ability, I mean, from what I understood, Pascal did not have any programming ability, or like very little. But I could be wrong about that. I mean, as being a musician. I see. Yeah. So what's interesting is, like, I just reached out to Pascal because I knew the name, but I don't know enough to be able to tell, like, when looking at the Paradox music team, like, who did what. And like I'm sure you can tell by listening to a soundtrack, like, oh, this person did this person did that. So I don't know where you start and Pascal begins and vice versa. So as far as I'm concerned, like, yeah, you guys are the same boat skill wise. Even I don't know what the reality of the situation is, but just I am so uncultured that I can't tell. He was spamming potions in the room while just fighting for his life. Oh, it's one of those scuffed fights. I see. I just finished my first successful feature branch. Oh, Kaiser, do tell. Like, a public feature branch or for your game? Just making a feature branch and merging it in? Dude, I love this song. I don't... Like, my game was... The story was finalized before Terra was, like, existed, but I love this song so much that I briefly considered having Terra in just so I could use this song because it's so sick. Decided against it. Pisces reduces super effective and stab damage with both help and hurt him. I see. I'm pretty sure the battle would have been impossible for him if stab and super effective moves did full damage because he would have been wiped out. Like, the potions are what helped him, but then he couldn't. I see. Kaiser, Cellcon seems cool, though I enjoyed reading some of the Airtable. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, if you have questions, like, while you're here, I'm here to answer them. Like, there's no secrets per se. There's a couple secrets, but like I will answer stuff, and anything I don't want to answer on stream, I will just DM you. But if you want real time feedback, now is the time. Kaiser, you gotta drop drop a link. Like, what's the feature branch? Come on, share with the class. I wanna celebrate in your successes. That's what we do here. Yep. It's in Tara. I'm on the phone right now. Okay, all right. You're gonna make me go into a Discord server that I'm already in. Is in show and tell. Shadows and summary screen. Ooh. Another little feature. Right is shiny, left is normal. Oh, the background color changes with the shininess. Ooh, I like that a lot. That's super sick. I love that. Wow. Oh, it's also it's the more the ability lines is different. Okay. Wow. This is sick. Idle unmanaged. Wow. There's even more. There was an ungodly amount of information written down, made me inspired to be that level of organized. Thank you. We take organization at Silicon extremely seriously. So there will be plenty of that. And what's crazy, Blue, is that like I think the Airtable has like 70% of the game written down. Like there's a good solid 30% that's still in my brain that I just don't have a good place to write down yet. It's a lot. But yes, it's just a big game. Too big, probably. Which is why you have so much music on your plate. But glad you like it so far. Hold on. Oh, I can just look at the... Hold on. I'm just going to read this. Do you have like a readme here that I can look at? I do not. Yeah, you gotta make a cool little wiki page. Not yet. This looks sick though, from what I'm seeing in Tar though. This is great. Good shit. You should be very proud. This is really, really cool. And I think you've come like in the time I've been streaming, you have come incredibly far as a developer. I think that's sick. Now, I say that and I mean that. But I will also say I'm looking back now on my first feature branch, and I would not release that code now. Which is just to say, like you're gonna look back on this in like a year and a half and be like, how did I let other humans look at this fucking code? I'm embarrassed. It's crazy to be like proud of yourself and make so much progress, and then like you keep growing, you know? Like it's one of my favorite parts of like being a programmer. It's just like you are never happy with the last thing you wrote. I'm gonna head out. I will turn with more ways to ruin Pokemon weird changes. Okay. It was good seeing you, Wakeon. Yeah, I was gonna stream tonight anyway. It was funny that you messaged me when you did. But yeah, it's good to be back. And hopefully back on a more regular schedule going forward. Okay, default. I'm asleep and I'll have you. Okay, cool. Yeah, please get some rest. Good shit. Very proud of you. Super happy. Yeah, can't wait to see the readme though. Good night, man. All right, good to see the boys just stopped through to say hey. Yeah, I used to stream a lot more Blue. I haven't in a while just because I was sick and then I was traveling. Like when I was originally talking to you, I was traveling. And before that, I was sick for like 3 weeks and like my voice was fucked, so I couldn't stream. So it's just been a while. So it's good to see people like roll through. Okay, does this compile? Let's see. Sunny? Okay. So if I just do... Oh, actually... Is this the go? What up, Zetrafez? What's crack-a-lackin'? It's been a minute. I feel like stream making music would do so well, like just because like it's something that like so few people have an understanding of, and it's just fun to like sit back and listen to people make cool beats and shit. Yeah, I could get behind that for sure. How you been, Zetrafez? Long time no talk. Okay, let's do this. Let's do music streams are interesting and scary. Do tell the scary part because I don't quite understand, but now I'm intrigued. Like, what makes them as not a musician? What is scary about them? Permanent. Okay, let's just do this. Let's do. Cool. Okay. And then primal rain. Okay, and then transforms in temporary rain. Temporarily. Okay, let's do that. Temporarily. Permanently. And then this is instead of permanently rainy. Primal. Been good. How's it been going for you? I was sick for a while, and then I was traveling a lot, but I'm back home. But overall, I'm fantastic. Just a lot of busy shit, but everything turned out okay and fine, and I'm back. Overall, very good though. Can't complain. I get to work on a ROM hack. You know, like how bad could my life really be? Raining transforms in rainy weather. I just always see people do insane level sound design and stuff real quickly. They all have crazy fast workflow. Everyone seems like gods. Yeah, that's programming streams. Yeah, it's very much the same thing. It's just like, oh, I'm completely out of my fucking depth. Temporarily rainy. It's like watching a speedrun of a game you've never played. Yes. No, I think it's worse than that. Like, at least for me, programming, it's speedrun of a game that I have played that I thought I was good at. It's like, oh, I'm nowhere near as optimal as I think I am. But no, I okay, that part I totally get. Compound strain. Couldn't imagine myself on that level. Crazy talented people. Yeah, agreed. 100% agreed. Okay, sandstorm weather. Okay, so if I do this, permanently sandstorm, temporarily sun. Let's do sunny. Okay, not sunny. Sunny. Temporarily hailing. Then permanently hailing. Then hailing, not hailing. Extremely windy. Let's do that. Let's do. Not windy. Temporarily snowing. Okay. And then temporarily foggy. Okay. Okay, in any weather, in primal weather. How's your take on Switch 2? For me personally, I do not give a shit about literally any of the games announced. Like, I recognize that there are interesting and cool, neat games that are being announced people are happy about, but I play so few video games that I really just play Pokemon. So I didn't really care until the very end, when Kirby's Air Riders was announced. And I played so much of that when it came out. And I loved that game. And so the fact that it is getting a sequel, and my siblings are also huge fans of the game, like, I am probably going to get a Switch 2 now solely because of that game. And I was not planning on buying it prior. Kirby's Air Ride? Yeah, my partner was asking what game. So that's for me personally. Overall, for the world, obviously those price points are not great, and I do not like that Nintendo beat Grand Theft Auto to the punch of signaling to the AAA industry that you may now charge $80 for a game. I don't think that's good or okay. But it sucks, and we shouldn't be surprised that's happening. I don't even know what the console price is, but I feel like the PS3 has just anchored in everyone's minds that as long as it's not $700, it's probably okay. If any of you are old enough to remember that debacle. And yeah, I don't know. It's Nintendo hardware. It's like 8 years out of date, and it's going to have game exclusives, and I'm very happy for the Silk Song kids. Yeah, the console price seemed... I don't remember the price, so it seemed fine. It's the game price that everyone's freaking out about. I'm very happy for the Silk Song kids, and as an Undertale person, I will also get Deltarune probably like day one. I haven't played any Deltarune yet because I was waiting for it to finish and just play all of it at once. So I'm excited to do that as well. Yeah, that dude, yeah, I feel like... Yeah. Oh no, I do not want to restart. Not now. Yeah, I'm extremely excited. Like, I am not a Hollow Knight person, but I just know that community has just been so starved for anything for so long. I'm very happy that the Silk Song kids are eating. So yeah, those are my big takeaways. Like, ultimately, I'm happy for everybody. Everybody who's happy, I'm happy for, and if you're upset, I get it. Okay. Oh, I need a break, don't I? I do need a break. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, break. Okay. What's most surprising, IMO is a Souls exclusive for Switch. I missed that entirely until my brother mentioned it to me. And yeah, that is extremely surprising. And I am very curious. Like, how good will it be? Is it a watered down version? Is it just another Souls game that they promise not to put on another console? Will it come to other consoles later? Like, there's just so many interesting questions. But yeah, that was definitely not on my fucking bingo card of a Souls game exclusive to a Nintendo console. Like, I would have never in a million years guessed that was happening. All right, let's see if Charum crashes. Ready, everybody? Moment of truth. Forms. Aha! Transforms any weather, reverts to loses sour. Transforms. Okay. This is wrong. Oh, I know why. Oh, I'm not even using the fucking function. Holy shit. Okay, Sunny. Okay, so now I can do this. Param 1. Buffer weather name. Okay, so this can all go now. Alright, cool. Let's try it again. How does the Pokédex look when the emulator is on full screen? I'll show you in a second. Let me compile. Like this. Do you want full screen like this? Because it's kind of stretched now, which is not really how it's supposed to look. So let me do like, what's the biggest frame size I can get? Like 8x to maintain its aspect ratio. Okay, let's see. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Forms. Chance 120 weather reverts to the side of the clip. Interesting. Yeah, this looks really nice. Thank you very much. Krim is our graphic designer, and he is a fucking genius. I just make his stuff come to life. Okay. Why is that string getting improperly handled? Interesting. Okay. Form battle weather. Okay, hold on. Okay, it is method 14, which is this. Yes, okay. Is there really no way? No, it's gotta work. Hold on. Oh, hold on. C tags. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And okay. Break. Okay, where is Oh wait. Be weather sun. Okay. Am I gonna just do default here? Let's see if that just does it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, forms. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. Alright, transforms do not study weather reverses fire gifts. Okay, cool. Great. Okay, perfect. Okay, who's the next mon with a form that I need to spot check? That's what I was doing. I was just spot checking all the different forms. Rotom. Rotom's gonna be a fucking disaster. I know it. Transforms when Rotom catalog is used. Only works if time of day. Oh, that's not true. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. These are all method 19. So why did it shit the bed? Huh. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let's... Is used. Oh, I should... How long has it been since I come... Okay, I should just do that. Feet, Pokédex. Alright, what did I do? I fix weather, or replace weather name table with switch statement to handle bit operations. Ah, it's been a minute since I had to ban a spammer. Let's see, what's the play again? It was like you mute them. Yeah, I think the play is you just mute. Oh, and you report them, but I can't report them once I mute them. That's right. Okay. Oh well, I'll remember for next time. Okay. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. There we go. And I'm gonna move it here. Yeah, okay. Okay, I replaced the what's the name table, and then I refactored it is species Gmax. Because I realized it's just a property for that, and I'm just stupid. Added is species Galarian for the Slowbro exception, and then is that really it? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that was really it. Okay. And I'm gonna push that up. Okay, now, why does Rotom not work? It's 19. Okay, oh, form 19? Okay. Form change item use multi-choice. Multi-choice, okay. Interesting. What is the original species if it's not Rotom? What the hell? I'm a little confused. Okay, let's look at forms. All right. Oh. Wait, but the base species is Rotom. You might have mentioned at some point, but those bots appear often. That's like 3 a stream, like 1 an hour, give or take. They're like common-ish. But they're all like easy to deal with. It's not a big deal. Okay. All right. What is the original species? Someone sounds sleepy. Yeah, a little bit, but it's fine. I'm just old. 994 is the Rotom catalog. What is 994 actually? Oh, I see. Source data, Pokemon, species info. Actually, is it form change tables? Form change tables, and then Rotom. Species Rotom, item catalog. That's option. Okay. Interesting. Is Zygarde not on this list? It is. So what is the problem here? Yeah, that's parameter 1, right? Yeah. This is 994. Yeah, why do I have to do that? Okay, hold on. Oh, I see. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I get it. Fine. Okay. They are slightly different. Oh, I wonder, should I just do that? I think so, actually. If... Okay, what is this? Okay, got it. So if method is form change item use multi-choice, then return. Or no, then break. Yeah, okay. How many bytes does a single variable take up? I do not know the answer to that. Aren't we all tired, girl? When you say variable, like a variable in C or a variable in Poke Emerald, because there are two different answers there. I don't know the answer to either of them, but I know that it's different. I think for C, it's whatever I declare it as. So like a U8 is it different? Yeah. Like a U8 is 8 bytes and a 32 is 32 bytes. But for Emerald, all the vars that are used in the game, those are all 16 bytes. If method is multi-choice, then you break here. Yes. Okay. I think that's actually a pretty easy fix. Okay. All right, Rotom. Here we come. Forms? Yes. Yep. Cool. All right, perfect. All right, who's next? Snivy, no. Drillbur, no. Scolipede. Excuse me. Okay, this one will just work. It's just Mega Evolution. Yep, okay. Okay, you don't have any special forms. Okay. These don't show up at all because they're not battle forms. Okay, right? So if I just do... okay. Scatterbug and Speedbow's broken and Pavilion's broken. Yes, okay. Cosmetic forms are all broken. So I need a list of all of those. So like Spupa and Scatterbug and Pavilion and Flabebe and Floette and Florges all need to be looked at. Okay. Alright, now let's look at the... Oh god. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, cool. And then okay. I wonder, do these work forms? Hell yeah. Okay. Transforms when HP is higher than score. Transforms when HP is lower or equal to... Okay. Let's do this. Transforms when... okay. Is that ability? Yes, it is. Okay. And has ability. Okay, cool. Wishy-washy's done. Okay. Meteor's probably broken. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay. First 5. Okay. Okay, Silvally. I knew Silvally worked already, actually. Okay, and then review have forms. Coordinate. That's a form. Okay. Orbital's fine. You guys are. Okay. Let's see forms. Okay. Okay, Cramorant's good. You're good. Oh, these are probably broken. Yeah, okay, cool. That's what I thought. Minior, and then Sinisty. Poltergeist. Okay. Oh, why does IceQ have fucked up numbers? Interesting. Oh, my hit location. Whoops. Okay, well. Do the forms at least work? Yes. Fainting. Transforms after fainting. Okay. Oh, why is IceQ interesting? IceQ's weird. Okay. Alright. Urshifu. This one should be interesting. Yep. Okay. And then if I look at forms. Interesting. Urshifu. Do you estimate your game to be finished before Legend ZA? No, absolutely not. And if not, do you think you'll probably be swayed to add some new mons to your decks? All of the megas in ZA, if we know they're... If the new megas are Pokemon that are in my game, and I have their stats, like that they will be in the main series game, then I will add them. We'll see if... I think for Legends Arceus, like I finished my decks before Legends Arceus came out, and the only mons I added were new Pokemon. Like Stantler was in my game, so I added Weirdeer. So those will probably be the only changes that I make. If Gen 10 comes out before my game releases, then it's maybe. Like I did do a rebalance when Gen 9 came out and added like a bunch of new mons. But straight up brand new mons, if they appear in ZA, I will most likely not add. I would be surprised if I did. Okay, and then I remember this Urshifu's acting up. Yeah, this one's wrong. Okay. And its types are wrong too. Unless it does lose a type. That's right. Okay. Urshifu. Oh, because it's looking at the base form. Okay, I get it. Okay. Okay. And forms. Okay, Ursaluna's broken because it's cosmetic, or because you can't transform into it. Yep, same with Mousehold. Okay. Okay, why is IceQ's number fucked up? Okay. And oh, here's one that'll be fucked. Okay. Transforms when switched out. Okay, cool. Huh. Okay. Why doesn't Palpatine show? Wait. Okay, I think I know why that happens, but this isn't a form, right? No, it's not. It's just... Oh. Tatsugiri is fucked. Okay. Tatsugiri, okay. And... Gimme Goal, got it. It's another cosmetic one. Okay, cool. That's everybody. Alright, where do we start? I'm gonna start on Ice Cube because I don't know why that's fucked. Oh. Pidgey is also fucked. Why is that? Okay. UI, Pokédex. See? Okay. Okay. Print. Mon cursor. Species name, number, and description. Let's try that. Okay. Convert species ID to Pokédex. Okay. Okay. Pokédex number. Okay, so let me look at Pidgeys because it's probably fucking 0. Pokemon species info Gen 1. Okay, Is it a 0? Oh baby, it's a fucking 0. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do +1 here. Okay. And now what the fuck is going on with Ice Cube? Oh, I see what I know exactly what's going on with Ice Cube. Okay. Pokemon species info Gen 8. Frostmoth. Stonejourner. Okay, Pokédex. Okay. Oh, wait, this is wrong. I don't want... Oh, wait, hold on. Why did the music stop? There we go. Oh, I know what I'll do. Okay. And then you... Okay. So Pidgey should now be 1, and Ice Cube should have a real fucking number. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay, cool. 1. Interesting. Do forms go at the bottom? Yeah, I think they do have to go at the bottom. Okay. Okay, let's see. Come on. Do. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What is going on with my builds? Okay. Alright, cool. It doesn't... Perfect. Okay, so I do need to just move them all to the bottom, which I'll just do now. Even though it's not a particularly sexy stream task, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Mega... Oh. Kingler... Okay, Aerodactyl... Huh. Okay. Swampert, okay. Yeah, the megas are easy. It's everybody else that's going to be a problem. It's all the ones I don't recognize off the rip that I'm going to be fighting with. And then all of you. Garbodor, okay. What a banger. Oh, they're not here. That's why. Oricorio, Minior Core. Okay, and then more megas. I'm gonna come back actually. I'm gonna do this. An Orbeetle. Okay. Oh, no ice. I'll do this. And okay. Drop Barasha, Duraludon. The Shifu twins. Oh, wait, actually. Ollie, okay. Okay, and then Palafin Hero. We got that. We want the other Gimme Goal, and then we're done. Okay. Alright, let's see whose number is fucked after that. Okay. Man, this thing is. Oh, it's because I changed the header file. So, of course, it's going to do that. Okay. Alright, cool. I forgot about the header file thing. I gotta fucking fix that. Okay, I don't see any zeros. Cool. Alright, that's a start. Okay. Fix added Residio Dex number for Ice Cube. Fix issue where forms were causing Pokemon in grid view to skip numbers. Alright, cool. Alright, that is the next step. Okay, what else was I looking at that was weird? Why doesn't mouse hold? Okay, let me look at Urshifu. Because that one is weird to me. Okay, so now if so you're the original. Single strike is the. Okay, so if I do forms, yeah. Who's 1230? Okay, let's see. Include constants Pokemon? I know, it's species. 1230. Rapid Strike is the water one. Oh, wait, hold on. 1535. 12th. That's the single strike mega. Okay, that's definitely wrong if it can do that. Data. Oh no, it's source, data, Pokemon. Form change tables. Okay, and then Urshifu. Is your wife in the same room or next to your room? She's one room over. Can you hear her clearly? The noise gate is supposed to make it so you can't hear her at all, but it picks up like human voices and filters out like other nonsense. So if you can hear her, my apologies. Yeah, she's talking to her roommate. Not clearly, but it picks up a little bit. Yes, there's proof that there's a woman in the house. But yeah, next room over. Okay, why do you... Oh, it looks at... Hold on. Single strike form change table, rapid strike form change table. Why is it picking up both? I actually don't quite understand what's happening here. So I'm going to take a closer look. Okay, so let's do UI, Pokédex page, and then populate form list. Okay. Get the... Oh. That could be it. Form species ID table. Does it look at every Pokemon form species table? And then Urshifu. Ah, yes. Okay, these are all the same table. Okay, okay. Oh. I didn't add these. Yeah, the megas are supposed to go here, so that's part of the problem. I did not add that for. Okay, cool. Let's just do that then. Okay. Kingler, let's do this. Species, Kingler, Mega. Okay. And then Lapras. Okay. Let's see, Lapras. Oops. Garbodor. Garbodor. Okay. Garbodor Mega. Okay. Corviknight. Same thing. Okay. Oh no, it's this. Okay, Orbital. Yep, okay. Orbital Mega. Okay. Dreadnought. Dreadnought. Dreadnought Mega. Orbital Mega. Okay. Let's see what else. Sanaconda. Let's see. Centiskorch, okay. Centiskorch Mega. Hatterene. Hatterene Mega, okay. Oh, nope. Copperaja. Yep. Okay. Copperaja Mega. Okay. Duraludon. Okay. Copperaja is now Duraludon. Interesting. Okay. And then, what up, AGS? Long time no talk. What is Crackalacken? Species, Urshifu, Single Strike, Style, Mega. I'm good. Been doing some stuff recently. Some stuff sounds ominous or really good. Can't tell. Rapid Style Strike Mega. Mainly doing pull requests. Oh. Like opening PRs for expansion or a different project? Oh, nice. I feel bad that I haven't noticed. I have been slacking in my PR upkeep on expansion lately. But thank you for giving back to the world. Any cool features you want to brag about in front of God and everybody? Okay, that's a start. All right, let's see if that helps. Okay, that's gonna take a while. Oh, that was faster than expected. Okay. I'm working on type effectiveness indicators. Oh, I did see that PR to mimic Scarlet and Violet. Yeah. I do remember that. No, I saw that and I was gonna review it, but Alex beat me to it. Alex already started. I was like, all right, he's got it. He's fucking on that shit. But yeah, it is sick. Okay, let's do forms now. Interesting. And then the blue one is still wrong, right? Yeah, because the base. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, how do I? Yeah, I'm pretty much almost complete with it. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to see that get merged in. Between that and show types, we're so close. Get Monza display is it gets Urshifu, then it looks at the form ID table and the form change table for Urshifu. Okay. Then it goes through. Max family. Okay. Okay, form species table is. Oh yeah, I'll show a screenshot on stream. Why not? Fuck yeah. Look at that circle in all of its glory. She's beautiful. Saying that bitch is super effective. Yeah, I think it's great. What's the circle? Circle is super effective. I assume there'll be an X for like not very effective. Duridius. Also, hello. How are you? I didn't. This isn't me. This is AGS's feature. Yeah. What are they? There's like 5 different effectiveness. So what are the symbols you decided on? Okay, for that species, get the max form. Okay. For case species, Urshifu. Return 1. And same thing. Species, Urshifu, single rapid strike. Yes, okay. Okay. Okay, returned. Wait, hold on. What is the difference here? 5, 6, 7. Get number of form changes, get number of species forms. I see. Alright, fine, those are different. Have you also made an update? Okay, double circle is super effective. Circle is effective. Triangle is not very effective. X is no effect. Okay, that makes sense. And then no symbol for neutral effectiveness. Have you also made an update when targeting Terrasomons? Yes, although I haven't mentioned that at all with my PR. Might be considered self-explanatory. Yeah, I mean, I assume you're looking at like the in battle type and just calculating from there. And since Terra changes that one, that makes sense. I would think X would be on something like an move from those, or that, or a tiny comical middle finger. Fun fact: Emerald does have emojis in it. Actually, it's a very small set, but there is a thumbs up, if memory serves. But yeah, X is indeed for something like normal on Ghost, according to AGS. So you guessed correctly. Okay. So rapid single striker 1. Okay, so but is there an icon? According to AGS, oh, for 4x effective. Doesn't look like it. I mean, the feature is supposed to mimic Scarlet and Violet's version of the feature, which it has the symbols, which are also mostly used in Scarlet Violet as well. Yeah, Scarlet Violet doesn't tell you when it's 4x effective, so I assume not. Okay. Then get the max number of species. Imagine the old folk in Emerald just rack with a thumbs up to whatever you bring them to them. I mean, it is certainly possible. Set original species. Why is it getting the base? I think the problem is it's getting the base and then assuming that the only new symbol is the hollow one shown here. Ah, okay. Oh, you added something to the charm map for this? Nice, nice. Okay. Form species ID table. Okay. How does it... What makes it think it can transform into that, actually? Current change. Okay. Method and then params. Yeah, how does it get that target species? Yeah, I want it to be as both as least changes and Facebook modern games. Yeah, no, as someone who's submitted modern stuff, I totally get trying to strike that balance, and it looks like you did a great job. Crushed it. Why? Okay. It goes to the form ID. Oh, wait, hold on. Does it do the other way? Probably not, right? It probably just does same thing. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Why does it think that I can do that? The target species is... transforms into itself? Okay. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. It's a mega evolution. Okay. It gets the form change table. Oh, interesting. Why does it do that? The answer is both. Like, it'll have a config so you can turn it off, but it'll be on by default. Let's see. Unless something incredible happens with the Senate in the next couple weeks. Oh. It skips Gigantomexes. Okay. Param is 1. Yeah, I am quite perplexed. So you loop through family index. What is it looking at to get the idea? Okay, hold on. It's gotta be the form change table, right? That's the only other place. The form change tables. Single strike mega, Urshifu single. And this is rapid strike. Got it. Okay, exit. I wonder how this is handled. Yeah, I don't get Zarude. Like, I just did not. I don't get the name of that form. Like, I just don't understand anything that's going on with that Pokemon at all. And maybe that's for the best. Okay, source data, Pokemon, species info, Gen 8 families. Okay. Okay, rapid strike. Single strike is the dark one. Okay, and it's the first one. It's based on the movie. It took care of a child and it was like its parent. Oh, Dada like dad. I see. I didn't even catch that until now. Like, I knew the storyline of the movie. I haven't watched it, but I did not make the connection to. Got it. Thank you for explaining such a face. Okay, it looks at Urshifu. Always for the cup. Thank you. Form species. Okay, let's just look at who's getting picked up here. Oh. Okay, form species. Okay. Yeah, let's just do that first. Okay. Interesting. So then all the Gmax ones get filtered out. And so we're left with just 892 into 1535. And it's the only one that makes it through because okay. Oh, interesting. Even though I clicked on that one. Okay, okay. Oh, dude, my bad. What? Did I miss something? Is it supposed to be blue? Yes, this is the Gmax form for Urshifu Rapid Strike is all blue. The other one's all red. Accidentally joined channel. Oh, yeah, no big deal. It's cool. I mean, you can join the channel. Like, you don't There's no rule against joining. Let's see. Okay, I think I know what's happening. I think it's looking at the table. And then there's... Yeah, it gets here. Because Rapid Strike is 12:30, which is the second one. Okay. Okay. I think I need an exception. And then why doesn't it ever grab Rapid Strike's table? That's what I don't understand. Oh, actually, hold on. Is that why? So single strike is red and rapid strike is blue. That is correct. Also, remember spending progress to add support for coin and battle point shops in the new shop UI feature branch. That's Mudskip's feature branch, right? Nice, nice. Look at you. You're giving back to all these public resources. Good shit. The world needs more of you. Okay, let's try this. Okay, and then... Alright, what? Only 892 and 1230. How come you don't ever look at 1230, though? Ah, because it's the first one? Okay. Whoa. We noticed you're having technical issues with your live stream. This could be direct incorrect. That can't be real. Is that a real message? Also, I'm not having any issues, am I? Oh, it looks real. That's... Okay. But I seem to be fine. Can someone, real quick, just... Like, does my kick stream seem incorrect? It seems fine to me. Like, it says I'm live. I've got people in the chat. Like, I'm not quite sure what they're referring to. Okay, it says I'm offline now, actually. I need a link. Yeah, give me a second. It does say I'm offline now, which tells me that maybe something is wrong. Okay. Pokemon Sandbreak. Huh. Says last live 2 minutes ago. Says I'm offline, but I'm not offline. I don't know why it says that. All right, I'll look into it later. Weird. Oh well, I'm not gonna stress about it. Yeah, not gonna stress about it. I will figure it out. I mean, not like I was getting a billion viewers from Kick anyway, you know? Oh, you know what I can do? I can do this. Hold on. I can do offline for me. Okay, cool. All right, so it's me. Where is my docs? There's a button that I had for... Oh, here we go. Okay, start. Okay, here. Ooh. Kick just says failed to connect. But I can't figure out why. Huh. Yeah, it just doesn't go. All right, well, guess we're not streaming Kick today. That's fine, whatever. All right, back at it. I gotta go in like 10 minutes, so let me see if I can solve this before I go. All right, why does it never add the single strike one? So I do need an exception. If form species... Should skip Urshifu. Okay, look at form species and then look at species. Okay, and it's a static Bull 32. Should skip. Form species and species. If form species. Okay, wait. If the species I'm looking at is species Urshifu. Okay. Is Rapid Strike the first one? No. And actually, hold on. Okay, hold on. Before we do that. All right. So then it gets all the way here. It gets after the 2 base forms, right? And then it's only ever 1. I see. I want to change it. It quits after that. Okay. Alright. So what if I, for this guy, told it never mind? Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's look at you now. Interesting. So yeah, it grabs 8. Hold on. It grabs 892's table. Oh, form change table. Okay. Form species table ID is like this table here. And it looks at that one first. Because what gets written as the originator? Yeah, the original species. Which is correct. It's the target species that ends up wrong. So it looks at the... Yeah, okay. Okay, I get it. It doesn't even look at who it's from. It just looks at... Okay, so I need to skip that as well. If the target species... But I do need form species to Oh, wait, is there not an originator species? There isn't. It's just got the end result. Fuck. Okay. I see, I see, I see. So how does it only ever get single strikes, though? That's the other problem. Get the ID table. Get the form change table. Okay. But why? Yeah, that's the other thing is why does it then show? Shouldn't it show the target species? Do you have coding as a job or have you learned to code as a hobby? I learned to code as a hobby. I've been developing stuff like my whole life on and off. I don't do it as a job because it's a fun hobby. But I do work in tech. I am code adjacent. Code's right next door. I just don't do it for money. Species info. Okay, I grabbed the form change table. Yeah, so I'm iterating through the form change table. I'm not looking at where it comes from. I just assume, hey, you're good, which is incorrect because Urshifu has another Pokemon in its table. They should be considered separate, really. Okay, so for Urshifu, if we're looking at single strike. Yeah, how does species? Okay, hold on. Let's look at that now. Okay. Oh, okay. So now forms 892. Interesting. Get on to display. How does it differentiate between rapid strike and single strike? What do you mean by it? Like my answer, because it's a get space. Okay, got it. It's always returning. God, fuck. Okay. If species is the rapid strike one, then don't fucking return that one. Okay, so species Urshifu rapid strike return. Same thing here. If species Urshifu rapid strike mega. Got it. Okay, yeah, this was always gonna return. Okay, cool. Yeah, that. Okay, well, for this specific thing, it wasn't. I was always telling it, get me the base form, which is always rapid strike for the purposes of the code. So now, aha, hell yeah. Okay, and then now I can go back to only showing one. Yes, okay. Get space ID. Oh, okay, this will never, ever. Okay, that's fine. I only need one. Okay, cool. Hell yeah. Alright, I think I fixed that right on time. Right when I said I was going to stop the stream too. Hell yeah, okay. So, forms. Okay. There should only be one, but that's fine. Okay, and then... Aha, okay, and... Great, okay, perfect. Oh, wait, actually, this... Interesting. Okay, this is... Single strike? Okay. Let's try that. Ah, it's this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Okay, and then... Yeah, okay, cool. All right. Fixed Urshifu. Alright, how do I handle non-cosmetic Urshifu? Or not being able to change 22? That's gonna be a whole fucking shit show. Oh, God. Okay, that's fixed. Squawkabilly should also be fucked, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Squawkabilly. Okay, cool. And I'm just gonna put that at the very bottom. Fix forms page for these. Alright. This was fruitful. Fix. Urshifu no longer always uses rapid single strike data for forms page. Cool. Okay. Solid fucking stream. I'm gonna call it. Will I be back tomorrow? Let me look at my calendar. I think I will be. Later, AGS. Thank you, Duridius. See, you're a dev now. Yeah, I should be back tomorrow night. I don't think I have any plans. So, yeah, I will talk to you all then. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Good to be back.